Imagine spending 2 to 3 hours manually just processing raw data into KPIs for several network clusters and doing it 24/7. Sounds exhausting, right? Well, that was the reality for this leading telecom company. They relied on manual processes, leading to human errors, complexity with multiple tools, and scalability nightmares. We introduced a cutting-edge automation solution powered by UiPath. No more manual steps, multiple robots work simultaneously, just seamless automation, transforming raw data into KPIs. How does it work? First, raw data is uploaded to a SharePoint location. Then, NiFi auto-transfers data to multiple virtual machines for parallel cluster processing. UiPath takes over, processing and transforming data into KPIs, all without human intervention. Finally, the results are uploaded back to SharePoint by NiFi for real-time access. This reduced manual work with avoided errors, improved accuracy, and allowed 24/7 scalability with seamless automation. If your business is drowning in manual processes, it's time to automate. Visit our website at www.ksolves.com